Why is it illegal to sell a used mattress? If you're considering selling your used mattress, you might be wondering if it's even legal to do so. Let's break down the rules and regulations to help you understand. First, it's important to note that selling a used mattress is generally legal, but there are some strict conditions you need to meet. The laws vary from state to state, so you'll need to check your local regulations. In some states, like California, you can't sell a used mattress if it has visible stains. In Texas, the mattress must be cleaned and have a tag indicating it's used. In Arizona and Colorado, the mattress must be sanitized before sale. One of the main reasons selling a used mattress might be illegal is if it doesn't meet cleanliness standards. For example, if the mattress has bed bugs, mold, or bacteria, it's not allowed to be sold. States like Florida have specific requirements that the mattress must be clean and free of these issues. Another reason is labeling. Federal law requires that used mattresses be clearly labeled as such. Some states also require color-coded tags to indicate the condition of the mattress. If you fail to label the mattress correctly, you could be breaking the law. Additionally, some states have rules about the condition of the mattress. For instance, mattresses that are too old or have been heavily used might not be suitable for resale. Most mattresses have a lifespan of 7 to 8 years, so selling one that's more than 5 or 6 years old might not be allowed. Businesses selling used mattresses face even stricter regulations. They often need to remove the original tag and replace it with one that clearly identifies the mattress as refurbished. This ensures transparency for the buyer. In summary, selling a used mattress is not inherently illegal, but it must comply with state and federal regulations. Ensure the mattress is clean, sanitized, and properly labeled to avoid any legal issues. Always check with your local health department for the specific rules in your area.